Okay, in this video, I want to do a 1-year update on my DIY MRCOOL mini split install. Okay, so over a year ago, I posted a really good install video of this guy. It's an hour long, covers the electrical and everything, and it has like 250,000 views already, so that's awesome. So anyway, if you're looking to install one of these, go check that video out, okay? And then also, just after that, I posted another video, a performance video of how well this 18K BTU cools my garage here in Chicago. And it does a pretty good job. But let me first answer the #1 comments I get from both of those videos, okay? First off, on the install video, everyone's saying, hey, you didn't vacuum the lines, okay? And guess what? You don't have to. With this DIY kit, the line set comes pre-charged, and that's why it makes it a DIY kit, and it's an attractive solution for DIYers like myself, because you just hook up the lines, open the valves, and it runs, okay? Every day I get a comment, hey, you didn't vacuum the lines. Yeah, well, you don't have to, okay? So there's that information. Okay, next up in the performance video, I kind of did a stupid test where I turned this guy on at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., pretty much during the hottest, worst part of the day. The garage was really heat soaked. It was a 90-degree day, and the temperature that I had in the spreadsheet was rather high, and it wasn't dropping. And that's true. It was keeping up, but it couldn't cool the garage down any further. And that's just because, man, I gave the AC a very late start in the day. And that's true for anything. If I do that to my house, I decide to turn it on in the afternoon, it takes forever to cool down. I mean, man, you just have all that heat in the house, right? Not to mention humidity. So anyway, also my thermometer, or my point of reference for temperature, was way up high. It was 9 feet off the ground. Okay, I've since relocated it. Anyway, during that day, I remember, and even now, I'm wearing flip-flops and my feet are cold. Okay, so it's 72 in here. My feet are cold. All right, and that's because I got an open attic here, and it's insulated somewhat, maybe 90%. And I have since added a ceiling fan, which helps distribute the airflow and whatnot. But in any case, let me get to this. It's been a year, and it works fine. It works great. I fired it up just a few weeks ago because it started getting hot here in Chicago, and bam, it works perfect. I did not use this to heat my space here in the winter because it's only 18K BTU. Electricity is expensive. I have a 60,000 BTU natural gas heater. It's oversized, but I got it for free. So I use that because natural gas is very inexpensive in my area, and I need more BTUs to heat this space, okay? So that's that. Would I change anything about it? No. The app works great. I turn it on from my phone when I'm inside the house. An hour later, I come out here, and immediately it drops the humidity 5 to 10%, a couple degrees, and bam, it's already comfortable, and then it continues to cool, okay? So would I recommend this to someone? Yes, absolutely. I mean, having AC in your garage is a game changer. Plus, the fact that this thing is quiet due to the video work that I do. You can't hear any fans running. It doesn't jack up all my audio. So yes, I am very happy with it. I will leave some links to the blog post that I have and to the other videos that I posted on this. So I have nothing bad to say about it. The install did take a little bit because my situation, I had to pull new wires, conduit. The install was very involved in my situation because I made it that way. But it's a nice install, and it works great. So yes, go for it, man. Oh, and I know someone's gonna ask, hey, how much is this costing you to run? Well, I didn't keep track, and it's difficult for me to get that right now. The app does save the history, so I guess I can go in there and calculate how many hours it runs and then find out my kilowatt hour that the utility company charges. But my bill hasn't been all that higher, okay? And we're in a weird situation right now, right? 2020 was COVID. We were all at home. I was working from home. The kids were home from school, and we were at home more often. Everyone was on freaking devices, so everyone was consuming more energy. So it's really hard for me to know what this thing has added to my monthly bill. But overall, looking at my monthly bill, it's just a little more, okay? And I'm comfortable out here, so that's all I care about, okay? This thing sips electricity compared to like window units and other stuff. So it's really efficient, and it just works, man.